Hello friends, you're most welcome to my channel. So today in this video we'll learn about radio button component of Tkinter module. So in previous video we have learned some components of Tkinter module. So if you have not watched the videos, go to the description section, there you will find the link of previous videos. So first of all I would like to discuss about the radio button. So you have noticed that in many cases you can see radio buttons. So here you can see there is one label gender and you can see two buttons, one is male and another is female. So if you click on the male button is selected, but when you click on the male button is deselected and female button is selected. Likewise you can select only one of the option from male or female. Okay, at the down you can see there is language label and there are three more buttons: English, Hindi and Bengali. So from here you can select more than one button at one times. So this type of button is called check button, which we will learn on the next video. So in this video we will learn about radio buttons. So in radio buttons you can select only one of the option from many options. So let's get started with coding. So there are basic code I have written to create a screen. So if you don't know how to create a screen, go to my playlist, there you will find the video to create a screen. So first of all we'll create one variable for level and we'll write the level components. First argument we have to give the screen name. So the screen name is root and here you will give the text of the level. So first of all we would like to give the text as gender. Okay, you can write any text and here we'll give the font of the text. So the font style will be Arial and the size will be 15 and we'll give the darkness bold. Okay, next we'll place the level component. So to place the level component, first of all we'll write the variable name of the level, then after dot we will write the place and under parenthesis we'll give the x and y value. So x value will be 10 comma and y value will be also 10. So from top it will be 10 pixel gap and from left it will be 10 pixel gap. So first of all we'll run the code for level. So here you can see one gender level has been created on the screen. Now we will create the radio button. So for radio button, so first of all I will create the variable of for radio button, that is R1, and here I will write the component name, that is radio button, and under parenthesis first of all we have to pass the argument, that is the screen name, which is root, and we'll pass the text. So text will be first male. Okay, and also we can give the font for the text. So I will copy the font from the level components and I'll paste on the radio button component. Next we will place the radio button. R1 dot place, the here x value will be 120 and y value will be 10. So it will show on one line. From top it is 10, so the radio button will show and the level will show on one line. So next we will create another radio button for female, R2. Also we can copy the R1 radio button and paste it on below, and we will change the variable name as R2 and the text of R2 radio button. So here we'll write female, okay, and the font will be same, and the position of the R2 radio button will change here to 200, and the Y will be same. So now if we'll run the codes, you can see the difference. There are two radio button created, and by default both the radio button are selected. So here you can see both male and female two radio button has been created, but both the radio button are selected. By default they are selected, and we can't select any one of it. So this is because we have created two radio button which are differently, they are created differently. So by default when we create radio button, it is being selected. So to make them to one category and we have to select only one of the option, we have to write some more code here. So okay, so to create both the radio button as one category, we have to set one variable as int var. So I will create one variable and I will declare both the radio button as int var. So int var is a type which is called integer variable. Here we have to pass the variable cell to the radio button so that they will be on one category. Both the radio button will be on one category. So here we'll write r1 dot config. So from config you can also edit the components. So also you can write here itself on above radio button, but I am writing on config. So here we will write variable is equal. So what type of variable we will write, pass the cell variable, that is integer variable, and the value. So we have to pass also the value, that how many options we are going to pass on that category, cell category. So first of all I'm going to set the value 1. Okay, so the male is the first value, and we'll copy this code from here and paste on the R2 radio button. So here we'll pass the value as 2. So we have set the variable cell. So here the variable cell will be as like as the R1 we have declared, because it is of same category. R1 and R2 are the same category of cell integer variable. So now if we run the code, so here you can see both the radio button are unselected. So now we can select any one option from it. So if I click on male, the male button has been selected, and if I click on female button is selected. So likewise we can create a radio button. So you can pass as much as option you would like to pass. So I will pass one more option. So I will copy the previous code and I will paste here. So I will change the variable name R3. So here you can see I have changed the variable name R3, and the text I will change, that will be others, and the value of this R3 will be 3, and I will change the position of R3 radio button, that will be 300. Okay, so now I will run the code R3. So here you can see there are 3 radio button, and from 3 radio button I can select only one option from it. So I hope you have understood the radio button, the uses of radio button. So you can by default select any one of the option. So to select by default option, you have to write the variable name, the int var that you have declared the int var. So you have to write the variable name dot set. Under set you have to give the value, so which value you would like to select by default. So first of all, I would like to set the value 1, which is the male option. So if we run, here you can see male option is selected by default, and if you click on female, the male option is deselected and female option is selected. So this was all about the radio button. In next video we will learn about the check button. So always be active and keep learning. So thank you. Bye bye.